Peace, peace, y'all. Welcome to today's mathematics with your girl Sunshine Monet L. Today is 6/26/8. We in the day of 2/6. We are in the third decan of the month. This is the decan of creation, expression, and understanding. We're on the day of 2/6, finding wisdom on the sense of equality. Dealing with our chokma, dealing with that energy of abundance and and nurturing energy, and wanting to have more equality in our space. Nothing wrong with it. Also dealing with the moral and integral code. Also equality amongst yourselves, like the different roles you play and the different hats you wear and stuff like that, the different habits that you have and stuff like that. A lot of you guys have a lot of tabs open, a lot of windows open, and just making sure that you're not being spread thin amongst them, that you can be spread equally and not overwhelm yourself, and finding that wisdom. And that is key here, because that's what's going to bring you to a sense of empowerment as that 2 and 6 come together and make 8. We're going to put that 8 of empowerment, transformation, building, and destroying into this month of 9, is Yesod, this moon energy. We started the month off in energy of Moot. Now we're in the energy of Bastet. We're here for another day or so before we get into the energy of Seth. So, we're going to put that into the 9s. We're going to put that into the divine womb. And what we get back is the 1 and 7. As you notice, the pattern is what you put it into the cosmos, you get back, but you get back in a different way to show you and reassure you that you're still going to get to the same destination. You're still going to get to those 8s. You're still going to get to that space of empowerment and balance on the solar plexus chakra. But now just look at it from a different way. Take a different route to that space, and trust that even though I gave you the 1 and 7 instead of the 2 and 6 you gave me, you're still going to get to that 8. Okay. So that's knowledge on God, right? Knowledge on Libra scales, balance, justice, and harmony. Taking action on those Libra scales, enforcing those Libra scales in your space. That's the best way to get that wisdom on that equality that you seek. Okay? So we're going to take that 8 and we're going to put it into the year 8. Today is a day of 3 8s. We get 3 8s on this third decan of the month. So really empowering yourself today is key here. Feeling good about yourself. A lot of empowerment energy coming to you. A lot of opportunities to build and destroy some things in your space. Transformation, secrets coming out, certain things being brought to the light. But those 2 8s together come together and make 1 and 6. That's knowledge on the sense of equality now that you have that. And overall, today is a day of 7. Today is a day of Libra scales and balance. Today is the energy of God. And it's all about you want to find a wisdom on how to equally distribute yourself over the dreams, goals, and aspirations and things that you have. Now let's talk about the astronomical events. We start the day off with a 37% winding crescent moon, and that moon of cleansing non-physical things out your space. Moon rising at 12:22 a.m. and setting at 4:15 p.m. We are in Cancer. We're nurturing in our mindset. We are Gemini in that third house energy of community and communication and intellect in our happening. Sunrise at 6:51 a.m. and 6:49 p.m. is when the sun will set. The moon in Cancer at minimal angle at 12:09 a.m. The moon is 5.6 degrees south, conjunction at 12:30 a.m. The moon is 5.6 degrees south, and we'll be able to observe that at 12:39 a.m. with a 5.6 degrees south separation. The moon and Pollux are at minimal angle at 4:59 a.m. The moon is 1.8 degrees south, conjunction at 5:25 a.m. The moon is 1.9 degrees south, visible at those respective times. So we have the moon sitting over there aligning with the Castor and Pollux stars, which are the Gemini brothers, the Abeji twins, giving us that energy of morality, immortality, of braveness and rashness, on all that fun stuff, giving you both sides of the coin today when you put that 2 6 and you get back that 1 7. So that's what I got for you today, Cosmic Nobodies. Feel free to feel empowered today. A lot of things that you learned today, and you collect wisdom in today to give you the power, the balance that you need, so that you can feel yourself equally distributed over the things that you want to do. Ashe, Amin, Amen.